Good morning, grade 9. The title of this lesson is like a question. Why variable x to the power of 0 equal 1? And actually, it's not variable x only. It's related to any number. If I have 2 to the power of 0, if you are using your calculator, you're going to find that the majority of the students, they think it's 0. Actually, it's only 1. And if I change this number to 5, 5 to the power of 0, also 1. Y to the power of 0, also 1. Any number, even if I have something more complicated like negative m exponent 0, again equal to 1. So that means any number, any variable exponent to 0 equal 1. And now the instruction of this lesson, why? Why when we have any number to the power of 0, we will see that the answer is 1. Actually, to prove this one, I need to use for sure one of the exponent law, which is for the division. So if you remember, when we divide, if I have 5, for example, to the power of 4, and I divided by 5 to the power of 3, we are saying since I have the same base, that means I take this base and I subtract the exponent, if you remember that. So it's going to be 5 exponent 1, and we don't write exponent 1, we leave it as 5. But now if I have 5 to the power of 4, divide 5 to the power of 4. Here it will give me 5, 4 minus 4, which 5 to the power of 0. Now, we are saying 5 to the power of 0 equal 1. Why? Very simple. If you take into consideration this question, 5 to the power of 4 divided by 5 to the power of 4. It's exactly like that. 5 to the power of 4 divided by 5 to the power of 4. We know since long time, starting from, let's say, grade 5, that if I have the same number as numerator and denominator, right away, the result is 1. So if the numerator and denominator, they are the same, the answer is 1. For example, if I have 2 over 2, it's 1. 4 over 4, it's 1. 100 over 100, it's 1. Numerator and denominator, they are equal, so the answer is 1. The same thing here. 5 exponent 4 divided by 5 exponent 4, they are the same, so it's 1. Therefore, we are saying that the answer here should equal to 1. So any number to the exponent of 0 equal to 1. And this is a very small demonstration why if I have even variable, it's going to give me 1. So if I want to show it with a variable, I think with this way. If I have, let's say, x and x exponent, let's say, 6, divide by x exponent 6. Since I have the same power, that means I can think with this way, that x equal 6 minus 6. This is related to the law of the division, that I subtract the exponent. So it's going to give me x to the power of 0. But in the meantime, x to the power of 6 divided by x to the power of 6 equal 1. Why? Because numerator equal to denominator. Therefore, any variable to the power of 0 has to equal to 1. I hope you understood this lesson, and thank you for your attention.